Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, wedding dress photos reportedly showing South African TV personality Rorisang Thandokiso set social media alight on Tuesday, the 13th of August 2026, after they began circulating on Twitter. The images was rather posted on TikTok by a handle called @Rorisang TT and was shared across all social media platforms. You guys, now this person posted and posted this question on Twitter: Did Rorisang just get married? You guys, Rorisang Thandokiso is a well-known South African media personality, presenter, and actress who has built a loyal following television and social media platforms. You guys, she is a woman of God, a born woman of God. You guys, now Thandokiso Rorisang is 36 years old, and she has been very much open about her purity. She says that she is still a virgin. You guys, a lot of people on social media were quite surprised to seeing Rorisang in a white gown because her fans stated that she didn't mention anything about a marriage to the public. You guys, now Rorisang has opened up. She posted a video on her Facebook trying to clarify what has been going on. She stated that she was emceeing at a certain event, and this was basically the theme of that event. You guys, please do check out this video. Let me just insert it. Please do check out this video and engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.